I'm Roselle Lee, and today I'm spilling the beans on the Cowsar Nugget Ice Maker that makes sonic ice. I'm here to give you the honest scoop that others might shy away from. If you've been eyeing this bad boy on TikTok like I was, you don't want to miss this. But first, let me show you how to use it.
It's packaged pretty well and comes with a manual. The manual indicates to let it sit for 2 hours before using. While it may have a bit of weight, I find it manageable to carry and it fits perfectly on your countertop. It features a convenient removable basket where the ice drops. Make sure you wash it before you use it. You'll also need to clean the inside, which is the white reservoir you see. Prior to cleaning the white reservoir, make sure to remove the plastic cap located underneath to allow for proper drainage of the water. Wash with a little bit of soap and water. When rinsing, I prefer to place mine by the sink to ensure that the water drains directly into the sink. Be sure to place the cap back on or you'll end up with a mess. The cover can also be easily removed for cleaning purposes as well. Once done, put your basket back in. This ice maker features a small slot in the back designed to hold your ice scooper. It has a self-cleaning function, which you'll have to do when you first get it and periodically. Press and hold the ice/clean button for 5 seconds to initiate the cleaning cycle. It takes 15 minutes to clean automatically, completing the process. Once done, we're ready to make ice. First, remove the basket. You'll need filtered or drinking water. Fill the white reservoir up to the maximum fill line. Don't go beyond this point. Put your basket back in, close the cover, press the ice button once to start making ice. Here's an important part. We're going to start timing this. It's 2:47. You also have 2 indicators here, one for full ice and one to add water, and your ice/clean button. It's 2:53, 6 minutes later, and it's finally starting to make some ice. The noise you hear in the background is the machine's operational noise level. It just started making ice, so I'll continue to check back at different times. It's 3:10, another 17 minutes later, and here's what we have. It's now 3:32, which is another 22 minutes later. The manual does recommend mixing the ice around every 40 minutes, which I personally find inconvenient. I have to push the ice down occasionally to ensure a steady flow of ice production. 3:51, another 19 minutes later, I notice that the sound of ice dropping has stopped, which signals me to come and push the ice down for continuous production. It's 5:23. I had to step away for about an hour and a half to grab a meal and left the machine running. When I returned, I found that it had stopped due to the ice not being cleared. Let's continue with the ice making process. 5:42, 19 minutes later. 5:53, 11 minutes later. It's now 6:04, another 9 minutes later. The ice indicator shows the bin is full and out of water. This is the total amount of ice produced, taking approximately a whopping 2 hours and 5 minutes to fill the bin. Let's measure it to determine the exact quantity of ice. This amounts to 4 cups and an additional 2.5 cups, making a total of 6.5 cups of ice. I like that the ice is small and chewable, similar to Sonic size, and it's visually appealing. However, being small ice, it naturally melts faster. I have a love-hate relationship with it. The drawbacks include the time it takes to fill the bin and the need to push down the ice periodically. I've also come across other ice machines that claim to produce nugget ice, but in reality, the ice is larger and more like bullet ice in my opinion.
Now, do I love the ice it makes? Absolutely. If you have the time and you don't mind waiting, I recommend you get it. But if you're very impatient, I tell you, this might not be for you.
If you're interested, links will be posted in the description below or in my bio. If this video was helpful, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for your support.
If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.